Thank you very much. This concrete agreement, but also some other elements linked to the Delimara power plant are still being studied by the DG Competition. I have to say that the cooperation was very fruitful. As you can imagine, these are all very detailed assessments where you need a lot of information, back and forth consultations which take place. So we are currently in the process of assessing. So before we adopt the decision, I cannot comment further. But I just would like to highlight that the quality of the dialogue and the interaction was very high. First, I think you are getting in Malta the plant which will be super modern. So I would say the newest of the technologies which would be used. You will be using the fuel which is now very competitive and where the global competition is on the rise, the LNG. Then you are converting the old power plant based on heavy oil, which of course are very bad for the air pollution, emitting a lot of harmful particles, but also being very, very pollutant. And you are going to cut the CO2 emissions by 1.1 million tons per year, which is really, I would say, also very important result. And on top of it, later on, you will have a possibility to decide if you would like to get the LNG from the vessels, from the ships, or if you are going to link it up with the pipeline, which will come from Italy. So you can kind of use the competition between the, I would say, pipeline gas and LNG gas to pay the better price. So from this point of view, I think it was really necessary step to modernize your infrastructure, to reduce the CO2 emission, to have the technology which is cleaner, which is less pollutant. And after I heard about the restructuring of the Malta, I think that also the fact that it led to the lowering of energy prices in Malta, I think did a lot of good for your economic growth. I mean, this is what we are trying to achieve across the Europe, to kind of clean up the price structure, look for the ways how we can lower the energy prices across Europe, because we know how important the lower energy prices are for the competitiveness of the industry, but also for tackling the energy poverty, which unfortunately is still quite high in Europe. We have 10% of Europeans who are suffering because of energy poverty. It's 50 million people, and therefore I think we have to use the size of the European market